In this video, we'll show you how to set the temperature and turn on your spa. First, open the iAquaLink app and select the pool or body of water from the My Systems list. To set your pool and spa temperature settings, tap Set Temperatures. You can adjust the pool or spa temperature by using the slide bar or simply tap the plus or minus buttons. To begin heating your spa, turn on spa mode. You must have spa mode enabled, otherwise the system will use the pool temperature set point. Once it is enabled, a message will appear indicating a delay. Tap OK. There's a 30-second delay which allows the valves to open and the pump to turn on before spa mode is activated and a spa temperature is displayed. Now to heat your spa, turn spa heater on. Underneath, it will display heating to indicate that the spa heater is enabled and is currently heating to your chosen temperature. Once the heating message disappears, your spa has reached the desired temperature. The heater will turn back on when the spa drops below your temperature set point. To turn off, simply tap spa mode again. To prevent overheating, there's a built-in 5-minute delay that will allow the water to continue circulating and cool the heater down. Now that you've learned how to use spa mode, you can easily use your iAquaLink app to control your pool and spa anytime, anywhere.